Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are joining the challenge set by YouTuber Dolls Rescued to flood the internet with Monster High videos. We thought it would be fun to redo an older repaint of our Gooliope Jellington doll and give her a Halloween unicorn cake costume. So, let's get making! First, we need to make 2 circular frames to support the cake costume. On foam board, you could also use cardboard, trace an outer ring. Ours is 4 inches in diameter and an inner ring that is 3 inches. Cut them out with an X-Acto blade. For the cake component, we are using white glitter fun foam. Cut a rectangle that is 35 by 10 centimeters and hot glue both the top and bottom edges to the foam board rings. Next, cut thinner strips for the shoulder straps. Fit and mark where you want the straps to rest, then hot glue just the back tabs to the foam board ring. At this point in the craft, we just want to temporarily attach the front tabs, so we use some blue tack. On to the unicorn hair. For this we used air dry clay in pretty colours and a Pop-It whipped cream mould. Cover the mould in cling wrap, then push in a small ball of clay. Press it firmly so that the clay grabs all the mould details. Remove the cling wrap to release the clay and set it aside to dry out. Repeat this process many times in all the different colours. Once dried, we can hot glue the cream dollops to the costume. Beginning at the top of the right strap, affix the dollops cascading down the costume in a colourful mane, just like a real unicorn cake. Cut the iconic black lashes from cardstock and glue to the costume. Next up, fixing our doll's wig. Here we carefully removed the woolen wefts from her previous repaint. Then use the standard method of looping yarn over a dowel before brushing it out with a wire pet comb. Following Hextian's lead, we took small sections of brushed yarn and hot glued them directly to the doll's head. Since this will be permanent, it's good to map out where you want the hair to lay before adhering. Our Gooliope has a side part, so we want to be generous with the weft thicknesses around the part line. Finish by giving her hair a trim. Now for the crown. We used a 17-inch Barbie endless hair headband for the base. Hot glue on more cream dollops, layering the pieces from the back to the front. The ears are cut from glitter fun foam and shaded with a light pink Sharpie. Our unicorn horn is just a snake of yellow air dry clay twisted around a toothpick. We painted it with gold acrylic. Since the costume is rather short, we made Gooliope some white leggings from an old t-shirt. Fold over the fabric, then trace around her hip, leg and foot as seen. Leave a 5mm seam allowance when cutting out. Use this as a template to cut a second, then sew together. Turn the leggings right side out and pop on your doll. All that's left to do are her shoes. Here we trace the doll's foot onto more fun foam for a sole and cut 2 larger U shapes for the front and back. We then hot glue the U pieces to the sole, added pink ribbons and tied the laces. Pop Gooliope back into her costume, secure the straps at the front with dollops of hot glue, and she is all set to go trick-or-treating. We hope you enjoyed this redo repaint and continue to watch other YouTubers' videos for Dolls Rescued Monster High Challenge. Thanks for watching!